Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to our channel. Yes, it is our channel because we move together, we do everything together. You understand? Thank you for being a part of the family, being a part of the Sidako Tech family. In today's video, I am going to show you how you'll be able to earn money with an app that pays when you work. You understand? This is very interesting. I know you are just astonished or amazed right now. I'm just going to show you a certain app that really pays you as you work. You understand? It sounds crazy, right? But it is real and it is no faking. Before we get into this, just like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and share this video. Without wasting much time, let's get straight into it. Yo guys, so welcome back. As I said earlier, I'm just going to show you a very simple app that really pays you, gives you money, makes you earn online. You understand? Just as you work, you earn a lot of money. So note that this app is legit and will help you make money online. But hey, if you need, all that you need is to just put in a lot of what? Hard work. Do you know what hard work is? I know you know, just kidding. You understand? So the first thing that you need to do is just download the app quickly. Just don't waste no time. But I just want you to follow me step by step, and then make sure you do not skip any part of this video to get every insight about how you'll be able to install the app and what you need to do in order to earn money online for yourself with this app. So just download the app and then install. You check in the description or in the comment box or comment section. I have the link to the app there. Just click on it and then get your app installed on your phone. Now after you have installed the app, just register and then let's earn some cool cash, man. So let's look at the features of the app now. Guys, the name of the app is actually called Sweatcoin. You understand? The name implies, or as you heard from the name, Sweatcoin. Sweat means that you need to do something in the form of sweating, and then you get a coin. The coin here simply means money. You understand? So that is very interesting. You just have to be working or be doing some stuff that improves or makes you sweat, or that improves you walking or making the steps, and then you earn money. So this is actually the app. This is the app. It says it pays to work. So we have healthier planet, healthier and wealthier you. So that is the app that we are talking about here. Now, taking a look at the app, we know that this app actually helps you to make money online through the steps that you make. All that you need to do is just get paid out of the steps that you make every day. Now, most people actually do a lot of working during the day. Those who are working, those who are messengers, people who walk to their various works. Even if you are in your car, as you are holding your phone and you are making a movement, the steps really count. So it is very important to earn something out of the steps that you make every day. You understand? So out of the steps that you make every day, out of the walking, out of the exercise that you do, so far as you have this app and you have it on, and then you have your data on, you'll be able to earn money as you perform the steps that you are supposed to do. Sometimes you need to just go on the road, be taking a walk, and then you'll be able to earn a lot of money. So in the days where we were just going to working without earning, now this app is going to help you earn money as you walk to your various places. So guys, don't you need the money? I know you need money. So I'm just going to show you how you'll be able to do this. The amazing thing is that this app is free. You don't need any payment. You don't need anything required. You just walk and then you get paid. Now, how do I make this? How do I make more money with this Sweatcoin? You understand? How do I make money with Sweatcoin? It is very simple. Just complete your daily task and then you are good to go. So I'm just going to launch the app right here with the Sweatcoin. I already have the app. So you could see from today that I just made, I've not even done anything, but I just made 3,787 steps today. And then you could see also from my account balance that I have been able to earn 45 0.63 Sweatcoin. You understand? So that is what I've been able to do today. So this is the app, guys. Now, this app, if you want to earn much, there are steps that you need to take into consideration. You need to perform like 3 to 4 daily tasks every single day. You need to perform these tasks in order to double your chance of earning more. So the first step that we are going to look at is what we call you have to walk, or you have to perform 20-minute walking or vigorous exercise, and at the end of these 20 minutes you earn double of whatever Sweatcoin that you are going to get. So you can see from here, this is a time, and if you just tap on it, you do an exercise with your phone, and then in 20 minutes whatever steps that you make, they double it. It's very simple as that. And then the next thing is you are able to also earn by inviting friends. So you invite friends, you get 5 Sweatcoin. Guys, very, very simple. So any particular friend that you invite, you earn 5 Sweatcoin. Then apart from that too, you can also get more of the Sweatcoin by doing what you call the daily rewards. So you just have to tap on claim. You understand? So you tap here, which is claim. Sorry. So all that you need to do is that you just have to tap here, claim, and then you are good to go. After you've been able to get that one too, you move on to the next one, which is the second claim, and then you go to the third claim as well. So that is how it works. Every day they will give you this reward. So you just have to, you can earn from 0 to 1,000 Sweatcoins, guys. So it is very interesting. Another way that you can also earn is Sweatcoin has a premium package that if you subscribe to it, you'll be able to get more Sweatcoin. So what you need to do is just, if you are interested, you can just purchase or deal with their premium package. That is for a year. You'll be paying 80 cedis, and then you'll be able to earn premium is 2 times. So everything that you earn, the steps that you make, whatever you earn, they double it. So it is just 80 Ghana cedis if you are interested, guys. So that is for a yearly. A monthly, you can make it 18 cedis. It is 18 cedis, 99 pesos per month. You understand? So that is the subscription. But I am using the free mode here. So that is what we are talking about here. The free mode helps you to, for every 1,000 steps that you make, you earn 1 Sweatcoin. So up to a maximum of 1,000 steps per day. So you can make the steps up to 1,000. And then every step that you make 1 Sweatcoin. So just imagine if you are able to make 10,000 steps, then it means that you multiply the 10,000 by 1. You can imagine what you'll be earning from that. Apart from that too, there are so many things that you can do with Sweatcoin. You can shop with your Sweatcoin. So you can see from here, this is actually a Revlon 1-step volumizer hair dryer. You understand? And then this is a $25 Prima gift, which you can buy. These are all digital offers. Digital offers means that you can use them online. So this is 90 days free music on Amazon. You understand? You can purchase it. This is 3 audiobooks with 60-day trial from audiobooks, 5 Sweatcoin. So you can even use your Sweatcoin to shop online, to make purchases online and then enjoy. Apart from that, you can also donate your Sweatcoin to those who are suffering and those you wish to help. If you want to donate, you can donate your Sweatcoin to them. And then the last one is a bid. You understand? You can do auctions with your Sweatcoin. So you can see past options here, the auctions which are mobile phones, bags, and etc. But I advise you, if you are in Ghana, it's difficult for you to, because you use a US address probably, it's difficult for you to get your items being shipped. But I advise you can do the digital purchasing. You understand? So if you buy items, if you shop digital, you get it online. If you want to listen to music, buy items online digitally. It will really help you. So guys, this is the app. I just want to show my lovers, my subscribers, and everyone who has been following my channel. Just work and get paid. As simple as that. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make money whilst you work. Simple as that. Like this video, subscribe, and share for me. See you in the next episode. I'm out.